Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install LEMP stack on AlmaLinux 10. Before installing the LEMP stack, verify that your server is running AlmaLinux 10. Next, update the system and install the required utilities before adding third-party repositories. Now, configure the official repositories for Nginx, PHP, and MariaDB to install the latest stable packages. First, enable the CRB repository and install the REMI repository. Continue to create the Nginx stable repository. Then, install the MariaDB 11.8 repository. Continue to disable the unused max scale repository. The repositories are now ready, allowing DNF to install the latest package versions used in this guide. With the repositories configured, install Nginx, PHP 8.5, PHP-FPM, the required PHP extensions, and MariaDB. After the installation completes, all required LEMP components will be available on the server. Next, create a new Nginx server configuration. Replace your server IP with your server's public IP address. Save the configuration file, then create a simple PHP test page. Continue to enable and start the required services. Then, verify the Nginx configuration. If the configuration test is successful, reload Nginx. The web server is now configured to process PHP files through PHP-FPM. After that, verify that Nginx, PHP, and MariaDB were installed successfully. Finally, you have successfully installed the LEMP stack on AlmaLinux 10 with Nginx, PHP, and MariaDB.